In the heart of ancient Persia, beneath the towering peaks of the Alborz Mountains, a tale of heroism and tragedy unfolded. The year was 530 AD, during the reign of King Khosrau I, and the land buzzed with the legend of Rostam, the greatest hero of the Sassanian Empire. Rostam, a man of immense strength and wisdom, was the embodiment of Persian valor. He was the champion of the world, a protector of the weak, and a defender of the realm. His tales were sung by minstrels, his deeds were a subject of grandeur, and his name echoed across the Persian lands. One day, a mysterious stranger appeared at the court of King Khosrau I. He was Sohrab, the son of Rostam, unaware of his ancestry. He was a young man of extraordinary skill, a warrior of immense potential, and a challenger seeking the greatest warrior of the land. The king, aware of Rostam's absence, sensed the danger lurking in the stranger. He warned Sohrab, "Beware, young warrior, for the man you seek is no ordinary man. He is Rostam, the hero of our land, a man of unmatched might." Ignorant of his father's identity, Sohrab challenged Rostam to a duel. The battlefield was set, and the two warriors met in a clash of steel and thunder. Rostam, though taken aback by Sohrab's skill, eventually emerged victorious. In the heat of battle, Rostam, unaware of Sohrab's identity, dealt a fatal blow to his own son. Stricken with grief, he realized the tragic outcome of his actions. In his sorrow, he carried Sohrab's lifeless body to a nearby river, whispering, "Son, I did not know." The tale of Rostam and Sohrab became a testament to the bittersweet nature of heroism. It was a story of strength, honor, and the tragic consequences of war. The echoes of their battle still resonate in the heart of Persia, a reminder of the cost of heroism and the unbreakable bond between a father and his son.